In this video, I am going to show you how I made these beautiful end tables using floor rubber mats that I got from Home Depot. They were so easy to make, you will not believe it. Hey Glam Squad, this is your girl Dalou. Welcome to Glam Style with Dalou, where we all about creating a beautiful, glam and happy home. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything as soon as we upload. We upload new videos minimum twice a week. If you like the videos in this channel, please give them a thumbs up and share them with your friends. Okay my friends, let's get to it. I am going to be using 2 of these rubber mats to make the 2 tables. They are 24 by 36. As I mentioned on my last DIY video, I am not a crafty person at all, but I saw this girl on YouTube. Her name is Yoduvh Essentials. She inspired me to create both DIYs. She is amazing. I'm using this Rust-Oleum spray, paint spray that I got from Lowe's to turn the rubber mat into a gold color. I am spraying both sides of the mats. It's gonna take approximately 2 to 2.5 cans of spray to get the work done. You're gonna see why later. If you're gonna try this project, make sure you do it on a day when it's sunny and it's not raining. Summertime or springtime may be the best time to do something like that. Make sure you wear shoes you don't care for. The paint will get undone. I am connecting the 2 ends of the rubber mat together so I can start nailing them. However, the rubber mat was so strong I could not hold it by myself. I have to get my entire crew to help me out. I'm making holes to make the nails easier for it to go in. I'm using both short and long nails. As you can see, the paint is coming off, but I'm thinking because it's so cold in New York, so the drying was not done properly. We're gonna fix that shortly. The rubber will leave some residue, so make sure you do it in an area where it's easy to clean or you don't care for. Doing the second one was a lot more easier because my husband was there to help me hold the rubber together. I got these 11 inches woods from Michael's. I'm gonna be using them on the table. I'm gonna be using one on top and one at the bottom. That the screw I'm gonna be using to nail the wood and the rubber together. Using my hot glue gun, I'm gonna be putting a wrap around it that I got from Amazon. I'm only gonna put it at the bottom. On top, I'm gonna use something else. I put a strip of the wrap in the back as well. I am outside in the garage giving it another coat of spray paint. If I knew originally when I started, I would have just sprayed the inside and leave the outside to spray later after I nail the 2 ends together. I believe the spray was coming off because it's really cold in New York and because of all the bending that I did when I was putting the nail. So I believe it's gonna be just fine right now. I also spray the wrap that I have at the bottom to give it a gold color. Also, I'm using a different spray this time. This is the one I used the first time. It is from Lowe's. And this is the second one I used the second time. It is from Home Depot. I like it much better. The drying time and the finishing sheen looks much better. I left them outside to dry for about an hour or so. I'm going to be using this mirror tile that I got from Amazon on the upper part of the table. Links will be below for everything I bought online. I'm gonna be using this 12-inch mirror on top of the table. You can find this mirror or smaller at any craft store or Amazon. I won't be gluing the mirror down on the table because I'm gonna have to change the size later to a smaller size. Just like that, from floor mat to Glam coffee table. I have to say this DIY was very easy. And as I mentioned, I am not a crafty person at all. So if I can do it, you can do it too. My whole point of doing this DIY is to see which DIY is easy and so I can bring them to you guys. So I do believe this one is a good one and it was very inexpensive. You guys should definitely give it a try. This is how the wrap looked like once it was painted gold. I think it is really nice. It gives it a really nice, sophisticated look. This is what the back looked like. This is what the two tables look like next to each other. And this is a full view of them in my Glam living room. I hope today's video inspires you to take on your own DIY project. If you liked today's video, please share your love by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to share it with your friends and your family. My goal is to get to 500 subscribers in the next 2 months. So if you like this channel, please help me out by subscribing and hit the notification bell so you can get notified as soon as we upload. On the screen right now, you're looking at some related videos that I think you might be interested in. Feel free to check them out. I thank you for your time today and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.